Hey groomers, Smokey and Tyler here. Just want to show you something. I saw a video or a post the other day about a blending scissor. So I'm going to do a little test. Here's one I just sharpened up. It's not really a blender, but it has the teeth and everything. And as you can see, the hone line is very smooth. I haven't closed these yet, so let me cut off the burr and everything. All right, cutting a paper towel. So I've made 4 cuts. And now you can see the divots are starting to form. This is just common for thinning scissors with teeth. You see them more down at the throat here, but that's only 4 cuts, and when you saw it before there, it was perfect. So it just happens over time. Let me cut some fur now. Sorry, I'm not going to move the camera. Yep, cutting some fur. So this is clean fur, but a lot of times you guys are cutting stuff with shampoo and all kinds of other stuff in it. So I made 3 more cuts, and now you could really see the divots are starting to show. It's just how the scissors run together. So once they get pretty big or whatnot, make sure you're not jamming your thumb into it. Like, you know, you just want your thumb a little bit in. Let me zoom out, that might help. Oh, wrong way. But if you jam your thumb into it like this way, you're going to create those divots even more, and more chances for it to lock up. So go on YouTube, watch how to scissor. Jody Murphy has some really good videos. So find her YouTube channel and watch some of her scissor technique videos. She also shows you what scissors will fit your hand. So I just oiled these, and now they're moving a lot smoother. Take one more look after opening and closing a bunch, and you can see the divots are there if it wants to focus. See? So it's just normal wear and tear on your thinners and chunkers and any texturizing scissor. So don't get too worried, your sharpener will be able to fix it. Sometimes these ones down here get really deep and are kind of hard to get out, but other than that, it's fine. So as long as it cuts and feels smooth, you're good to go. Hope this helps somebody. Have a good day.